Today we have a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is When Demanding Your Lawyer Doesn't Go As Planned.
In this BCW video, we're taking a look at an arrest that happened in Bradenton, Florida, when a woman wouldn't leave a Dunkin drive-thru after being refused service for causing a disturbance.
Hey, turn the music down. They just asked you to move.
When can I have my
Are you going to move or not? They're refusing you service. You need to leave. Okay, they're refusing you service. You haven't paid for it, right?
No, but I need to.
Okay, so you haven't. They're refusing you service. Leave.
Why?
Okay, they're trespassing you from here, okay? If you don't leave, you're going to be taken to jail. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So what about the leave part is confusing?
Why are they refusing?
Okay, give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance. You're impeding traffic.
By impeding traffic, this becomes a traffic stop. So after getting the documentation, the officer would direct the woman to a nearby parking space.
Pull around right over here, okay? And we'll conduct the rest of the traffic stop there.
Instead of listening, though, she just rolled up her window.
Hello? Roll down the window. Hey, so if she keeps doing this and I can't finish the traffic stop, I'll take her in for resisting. We'll do that. Hey, so you're about to go to jail for resisting, you understand?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Need to verify the info on her license. Turn off the car. Okay, cool. You can have one. Turn down the music.
Out here playing ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, this cup, and I know Poppy get a kid for the pup.
Okay, are you gonna answer my questions if your license is valid or not?
Come on, man. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Come on, man. Skip this music, man. Damn.
Alright, is your address still current on your license? No? What's the new address? They don't know what your new address is. Okay, so I'll just write you a citation for that too. You're not gonna answer any of my questions. Alright, suit yourself.
The officer would go back to run the woman's information, but while he was doing that...
Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Tougher. Cover! Cool, you're under arrest.
She's nuts.
Newsflash, we can. It's called obstruction. So now you're under arrest. Oh, no, you're not?
I do, Jake.
10-4, show me 10-15.
The funny thing about this is I'm still going to do my car.
Okay, let go.
Take my
Let go.
Listen, these kids is ready to risk their lot. Well, she's not a kid, she an adult, but you know, they ready to listen. Ever since these vapes done came out, they ready to risk it all for these vapes, man. Vapes and cell phones, man. Those are the two that's yeah.
Now you're going in for battery on an LEO.
Alright.
Cool, hold her. I got the shackles on the bottom.
You got the shackles? Okay.
You kick a cop, you go to jail.
Go get a roll. You got see this. You got things on your leg. You got shackles. Alright, go ahead. I'm gonna help you open your.
No, I don't want to get up.
Okay, cross your legs. Let's have EMS 51. She's bleeding.
Yep.
Okay, so what hurts?
Did you know today was going to be the day that you killed somebody?
What do you mean? You're alive.
I'm going to hurt all of you.
You're gonna what?
Hurt all of you.
You're gonna hurt all of us?
Yes.
Yeah, she got some real demons in her background. I wasn't gonna talk on this, but when they were cuffing her up, and then you could go back and look. I don't know if you'll be able to see because whatever. But when you go back and look on the arm with her little triangle tattoos, she got them little when they be trying to hurt themselves, they be how they do. You know what I'm saying? You know how they do. So she got the marks on there. I wasn't gonna say nothing, but now that she's talking about, all of that extra stuff. Yeah, this her demons go way past just some Dunkin' Donuts coffee.
That's touching. Like emotionally, or
Yes.
kind of. I
That's
don't
the
think
wor-
you're really
that's
able
the
to
worst
right now.
way.
You're gonna hurt all of us.
Hey.
Ow! Piece of shit.
I'm not hurting you.
Ow! Ow!
No,
ow.
don't pull the end of the cuffs. Just pull by the armpit.
Are you?
I was just gonna hold it.
Are you in training? Oh my god! Let me go! I'll kill you.
Really? You mean that?
No, I
Why are you
don't.
so mad?
That was the voices.
The voices? Hey, do you take medication?
Nope.
Are you supposed to be taking medication?
No.
You sure?
While EMS checked the woman, the officer would assess her mental state.
So Vanessa, what day is it?
It's August. I think it's the 15th. It's
Okay.
Friday.
Okay, it's Friday.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Who's the president?
That Trump.
Okay.
That's my
Colors the sky.
blue.
Okay. Do you know kind of in general where you are right now? You know what state you're at right now?
You know what? I'm sitting in front of the mother Dunkin Donuts coffee shop.
Okay. So you do know where you are right
I'm in
now.
Florida. Bradenton,
Okay.
Florida.
All right.
As the officers got ready to transport the woman to jail, she started to complain of a medical issue, so they took her to the hospital instead. Once they got there, though, she became disrespectful with the staff, refusing evaluation and saying she was fine. When the officer tried to escort her back outside, she actively resisted, dropping her weight, forcing her body backwards, and trying to stomp his feet. He'd end up having to put her in a shoulder lock to get her to the car.
Stop!
All right. Let's go. Really?
Are you getting all this on camera?
Yep. It's all recorded. You're getting another charge. Kicked me, tried to run around, tried to bite me and the nurse, and well, now she's got 2 charges for obstruction.
Damn. Messed up simple. A couple felonies.
It goes to a felony, yeah.
She was charged with resisting without violence, trespassing, battery on a Leo, and battery on a correctional officer. She'd plead no contest to the charges and be sentenced to 24 months of probation.
Likewise.
She was also ordered to stay away from that Dunkin location.
Yeah, she just a nut job, man. She needs some serious help. Something like prison isn't gonna help her. You know, she needs some real like therapy and some real whatever they do for mental health people. But that's what she needs, man.